This video shows you how to download and install Microsoft Visual Studio Community. To do that, you need to visit this website. I'm already at this website. As you can see, Visual Studio is available for both Windows and Macintosh. Actually, there are three flavors: the community version, the professional version, and the enterprise version. For you just need the free community version. So click here to download the installer. Just save. The installer is downloaded and click to run it and say yes to run it. And you can learn more, or you can just click continue. Okay, the installer has finished verifying the files. Now it's asking me what parts of the software I want to install. For your project and this subject, you just need .NET desktop development. Of course, you can select many others, but it's going to slow you down. Okay, so I would suggest you may click ASP.NET and .NET. Okay, and if you want to add something later, you can always do it. Okay, so I'm going to click the Essentials, and then I'm going to click Install. Okay, the installer downloaded the code and the different options, which consists of hundreds of megabytes, and it took about 10 or more minutes. So I don't advise you to do it using your mobile data or Wi-Fi. It's best if you can have a LAN connection to your network or broadband. Now you can I will uncheck this option because it asks if I want to authenticate across all Azure Active Directories on sign on. Okay, normally you don't use Azure for all your projects, so you don't need that. Okay, you can change your mind later. Don't worry. Okay, so I click not now, maybe later, and then you can choose a theme. Okay, I will use a dark theme so as to protect my eyes, and you can start Visual Studio. So Visual Studio has been started, okay, and you can do the different ways to start a new project, like clone a repository from GitHub, okay, or open your existing projects or solution, or look at a local folder, or open a new project. So I'm going to create a new project. As you can see, if you have selected many options, then you can have a lot to choose from. Okay, you can select what languages to use, and for that language, what platforms you want to use, okay, including Xbox, okay, and mobile devices. So as you can see, it's very powerful, and you can do it on Azure, the Microsoft Cloud Computing Service. Okay, and these are different project types. So for today, we are going to do only just C#, and it's going to be just the console app like this one. Okay, and then next, and then you can give it a name, and then you can click create. And now it's creating the project. Okay, the Hello World console application is now created automatically for me, and I can try to run it. I can do a debug and start debugging, and it will run. It's now building it. Now it's running. As you can see, there's a window here, Hello World. So this is successful. So we have finished downloading and installing Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay,